Clean financial records are so important because that's predominantly where red flags occur. So doing the due diligence and getting that all in place prior and having understanding as to why, what we tend to see is there's no description to the financials. So it's important to add that narrative to that figure because that is a potential question that's going to be asked. And if you can prepare that in advance, when it comes to that conversation of back and forth, there's a reason behind it. There's a purpose and why that figure was a figure and so forth. And that can be explained easier, should I say, than just a figure that a buyer has to try and get an understanding to. So it's important to get the financials, one, right, and then two, descriptive, so there's a meaning to that figure. And also on presentation to the buyer, then there's a narrative as well, as to an overview as to what these financials are saying and doing. And also what we tend to do is also look at helping the business owner to prepare a bit of a statement. So for example, in year 23, 24, the industry was struggling through this trend or that, or this had an impact to the business and so forth. So the more information, descriptive information you can give around the financial numbers themselves, the better that will help any sort of concern relating through that process of purchase and sale.